Improve your coordination skills and activate your hip flexors with high knees to butt kickers. Single leg deadlifts challenge foot, hip and torso stability and balance. The spine is neutral and the hips remain square to the ground throughout the entire movement. Once you've established a stretch in the hamstring, make sure to come up and back into starting position with control. Scaled toes-to-bar still allow us to practice full range of motion and grip strength.
Tuck, rotate the hip and reach the handle with your toes. Then get back to starting position.
With the burpees, make sure that for each repetition, chest and thighs touch the ground.
Finally, let's improve core strength. With bicycles, the lower back is pressed into the floor, head and shoulders slightly raised. The hands are placed lightly on the sides of your head. Then single leg V-ups. Exhale and roll up, lifting one leg at a time. Rotate the torso and reach for the foot. 3, 2, 1, go!